Hello kids, welcome you all to the video lecture on Math Olympiad, chapter number 1, number sense. Today we are going to discuss about the question number 6 to 10. Which place value will determine the smaller number among the given number? So they have given two numbers. One number it is 4832 and then second number it is 4852. So when we compare these two numbers, we can observe that the change only in this position, right? So here it is 3, here it is 5. So we know that this one is 1000 and then followed by 100 and then tens and then ones position. Similarly 1000 and then 100 and then tens and then ones position. So when we observe these two number, here also 482 that is 1000, 100 and ones position are same in both the numbers. So only where we have the difference, only at the tens position we have the difference. Okay. So what they are asking, which place value will determine the smaller number among the number. So which one is smaller, 3 or 5? So 3 is a smaller number, right? So we can say that this number is a smaller when compared to this number. Why? Because of this value 3. So which place value determine that it is smaller number? 10 value only, 10's position value only. It says that this number is smaller when compared to this number, right? So at 10's position, here it is 3, here it is 5. So I can say that this number is small when compared to this number. Why? Because of this value. So the answer for this question, it is 10's position. Then the number name of the number shown on the abacus is. So at 1000 position it is 3 and then 100's position it is 3, at 10's position it is 0, 1's position it is 2. So actually what is this number? 3302. So there is no value at 10's position, so it is 3302. So where is 3302? When we see that here it is 3304. So this one is 3304. This one is 3402. This one is 3332. This one is 3302. So here they have given 3302. Here also it is 3302. So the option is D for the 7th question. Next, select the incorrect option. They are asking which one is incorrect. So coming to the first question, here it is 5863, which is greater than 5860. Yes, obviously 63 is greater than 60, right? So 5863 is greater than 5860. So this one is correct option, but they are asking for the incorrect option, right? So which one is wrong they are asking. So 9364. So 9364. What about this? Whether the expansion is correct or not? So 9. So at 1000's position it is 9. So 9000. And then 100's position it is 3. So it is 300. 10's position it is 6. So it is 60. 1's position it is 4. It is 4. So this one is also correct. Then 4268 has 20 ones. Whether this number is having 20 ones or not. So 4268. So how many ones they are asking, right? So ones, tens, hundreds and thousands we are having. How many ones they are asking? So here they are saying that it is 20 ones, but actually in the number how many ones are there? Only 8 ones are there. So this one is wrong because we have only 8 ones. And then all of this, whether all the options are correct? No. So it will not be applicable, right? So the correct answer it is C. Okay. So we don't have all the options, right? And then these two are correct. They are asking only the incorrect option. So this one is incorrect. 9th question. If hundreds and tens place digits are interchanged in each of the following numbers, then which of the following is greater than 6848? So they are saying that in each and every number we need to interchange hundreds and tens place digits. Okay, so what are all the digits available in tens and hundreds, those numbers we have to interchange, and then we have to check which number is greater than 6848. So let me consider first number 6948, right? So thousands and then hundreds and then tens and then ones. Let me have interchanged numbers here, thousands, hundreds, tens and then ones. Okay, so what they are asking? They are asking to interchange hundreds and tens place digits. What is the hundreds and tens digits? This one is 100, this one is tens. So we need to interchange these two number. So other two number will remain same, right? So we need to interchange this one and this one alone. So let me interchange this number. Okay, so what happened? What number you will get here? Here it is 6 and then here it is 4, here it is 9, here it is 8. Why? Because 4 will come to 100, 9 will go to 10. They are asking to interchange, right? So we have interchanged and written. Then coming to the second question. So what is the second option? 6986. So here also we need to interchange this number and this number. Let me interchange. So other numbers will remain same, right? So it is 6896. Okay. Then coming to the third option, 6956. So let me interchange this one and this one. Okay. So other number remains same. So it is 6. So 5 will go to 100, 9 will go to 10's position and then 1's position remains same. Then coming to the fourth option, 6966. So here also we need to interchange hundreds and tens position, right? So what happens? 6 will go to 100, 9 will go to 10's position and then 6. So they are asking which number is greater than 6848. So let me compare all these number. Okay, here it is 6800. So 6800. So here it is 400, here it is 500, here it is 600. So these numbers will not come, right? So 6848. So here it is 6896. So definitely this one is greater when compared to 6848. So when compared to 6848, 6896 is greater. So this one is correct. So actually what is this number? From where we are obtaining? We are obtaining it from 6986. So the option is B option, 6986. Why? Because this number we have obtained from this one. So the option is B here. Which of the following represents the greatest 3-digit number? So we know that what is the greatest 3-digit number? It is 999. That is 999. Check whether you have that option anywhere. So it is 945. Okay, 9900. Then 999. Then here it is 900. So which one is the greatest 3-digit number? Greatest 3-digit number is 999, right? So the option is C. Thank you. Thanks for watching.